Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program have to accept a string S containing multiple words. Some words will be enclosed within double quotes. So our task is to split the words in S without breaking the words which is enclosed within double quotes. Finally, the program must print the words in multiple lines. So our program have to accept a string S containing multiple words. Some words will be enclosed within double quotes. Our task is to split the words in S without breaking the words which is enclosed within double quotes. And finally the program must print the words in multiple lines. Now let us consider for our test case. So this is our first test case. Car, dog, lion, tiger, mosquito, bee, and snake, cobra, crocodile, and cow. So here we can see that lion and tiger are enclosed within double quotes, and snake, cobra, and crocodile are also inside the double quotes. So first let us print a car. So our output will be in the format of car, and in the next line dog will be printed, and next lion and tiger, because it is enclosed within double quotes, so it will be printed in one line. So let us copy and paste it, and then mosquito, and then bee and ant, and then snake, cobra, crocodile in same line, and then cow. So this will be our required output. Now let us consider for our last test case. In this test case, we can see that the starting three words are present inside the double quotes, and the. So these words will be printed in a single line, and then is, was, and then there. So yeah, this will be our required output for this test case. So let us implement our logic and let us see the pseudocode for solving this program. So first we have to accept the string s from the user. So s is equal to input dot split, and then let us have a flag variable. So if words are present in double quotes, then we will be changing the flag variable. So flag is equal to 0, And now let us iterate over the words in yes. So for that, for word in yes, so let us pass our condition here. If word of 0 if word of 0 is equal to double quotes. So for representing double quote, we will be using a backslash here. So if word of 0 is equal to double quotes means we will be changing the flag value to 1. And then if word of -1 equal to double quotes means we will be changing the flag value to 0. So this is the end of the double quote. So flag is equal to 0. And then let us have a condition. If flag is equal to 1 means then we have to print word dot replace double quotes. So for representing double quotes we'll be using backslash, comma, end is equal to with a space, and in the else we will be printing the word. So print word dot replace of backslash, comma, double quotes, comma, 2 single quotes. So this will be our required code for solving today's TC.